Gather round for a horror story. A true one. The tale of how my dropshipping store went completely offline and I, the owner, the captain, the guy responsible, did not notice for 3 entire days. 3 days of a store showing customers nothing but an error page. Learn from my nightmare so it never becomes yours. Let me paint the scene. Business was good. Sales were flowing. I was feeling like a real entrepreneur, maybe even a little cocky. So cocky that I stopped obsessively checking my store because it was running fine. What could go wrong? Everything. Everything could go wrong. And it did, silently, while I basked in my own competence. Day 1 of the outage, my store threw an error and went dark. Did I know? No. I was busy celebrating my success by not looking at the thing that made me successful. Customers hit my store, saw a broken page, and left assuming I'd disappeared or gotten shut down. Sales, 0. My awareness, also 0. Day 2, still down. Still oblivious. I was posting content driving traffic to a dead store, which is like inviting people to a party at a house that burned down. Every visitor bounced off an error page. I was actively spending effort sending customers to nothing. Blissfully. Ignorantly. Day 3. I finally logged in to check my great sales and found a graveyard. 0 sales for 3 days. My stomach dropped through the floor. I'd lost 3 days of revenue, 3 days of ad and content effort, and who knows how many customers who now think I'm a vanished scammer. All because nobody told me the store was down, because nobody was watching. Here's the fix, and it's almost insultingly simple. I now use Uptime. Jajasoft. Net, which checks my store every single minute and emails me the instant it goes down, and again when it recovers. If this had existed in my life during the great 3-day blackout, I'd have known in 60 seconds instead of 72 hours. It even warns me before my SSL certificate expires, because an expired certificate also makes your store look broken and scary to customers. Up to 30 sites, always free. There is no reason, none, to fly blind like I did. The lesson from my humiliation: your store is your entire business, and a store that's down is a business that's closed, except worse, because customers think you've vanished. You cannot personally stare at your store 24/7, and you shouldn't have to. Something should be watching it for you, ready to scream the second something breaks. So don't be past me, celebrating success while the whole operation quietly burns behind me. Set up monitoring, get the instant alert, and never lose 3 days or 3 minutes to an outage you didn't know about. My blackout was free education for you. You're welcome. Now go check if your store is even online. I'll wait.